In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a task in Trello step by step. If you're new to Trello or just getting started with project management, this tutorial will help you quickly add tasks to your board and stay organized. Trello is a powerful and simple tool that lets you manage projects using boards, lists, and cards. And today, you'll learn how to create a task, also known as a card, in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your boards. Boards are where your projects live, and inside each board, you'll have lists and cards to organize your work. From the dashboard, click on the board where you want to create your task. If you already have a board set up for your project, simply select it. If not, you can create a new board. But for this tutorial, we'll assume you're clicking into an existing board. Once you click on the board, it will open and display your lists. Lists are typically organized as stages like to do, doing, and done, but you can customize them however you like. Now that you're inside your board, decide which list you want to add your task to. For example, if it's a new task you haven't started yet, you'll likely add it to the to-do list. At the bottom of that list, you'll see an option that says Add a Card. Go ahead and click on Add a Card. As soon as you click Add a Card, a text field will appear. This is where you'll type the name of your task. Keep your task name clear and specific so you know exactly what needs to be done. For example, instead of writing something vague like Work on Project, you could write Design Homepage Layout or Prepare Weekly Sales Report. Clear task names make your workflow much more efficient. After typing in your task name, click the Add Card button right below the text field. As soon as you click it, your new task will instantly appear inside that list as a card. That's it, you've successfully created a task in Trello. If you want to add more details, you can click on the card you just created. This will open a detailed view where you can add a description, checklist items, due dates, labels, attachments, and even assign the task to team members. This is especially useful if you're working with a team and need everyone to stay aligned on responsibilities and deadlines. You can repeat this same process to add as many tasks as you need. Just click Add a Card, type the task name, and click Add Card. Over time, you'll build a structured and visual workflow that managing projects much easier. Trello is powerful because it keeps everything visual and flexible. You can drag and drop cards between lists as tasks progress, helping you clearly see what's pending, what's in progress, and what's completed. This simple system can dramatically improve your productivity, whether you're managing personal goals, client projects, or team collaboration. So to quickly recap, go to Trello, open your board, click Add a Card in the desired list, type your task name, and click Add Card. That's all it takes to create a task in Trello. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Trello and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.